Hey everybody, Justin Walsh here, branch manager at Franklin Loan Center. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Today's video topic is on improving your credit score. Many folks or homeowners don't realize how easy it can be at times to get that credit score substantially higher. Oftentimes we're able to do this before closing. Folks that go to purchase a home or get pre-approved have a couple issues on their credit report or a couple items they weren't aware of on their credit report. And one of the things that we look at is how can we get that credit score as high as possible before they close on the house, so that way they have the most optimal rate and credit score they could possibly have. Um, Little items that we encounter, small medical collections, which maybe were lost in the mail or never sent in the mail, or perhaps insurance didn't cover something that a homeowner thought they would cover. And we see small $50, $100, $300 medical collections on credit reports rather regularly. Um, a little known fact, when medical collections are on your credit report, as of June of 2022, once they are paid, they can be fully deleted from your credit report. And we can help facilitate that deletion and get it removed from your credit report within 2 days time frame. Also credit card limits, right? The balance on your credit card relative to the credit limit has a massive impact on your credit score. So there's different barriers that you want to try to be under. 30% of the credit limit is the optimal place to be. But we may have scenarios where a homeowner owes 51% of their limit on their credit card, and just dropping that below 50% increases their score 20 points. All these things are really critical to look at. Every situation is unique, but I will tell you, as someone that does these myself, we're able to get a lot of homeowners' credit scores up 30, 40, 50 points before closing, which can save you $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 in closing costs because you're now at a higher credit score. You're not having to pay as much for that same loan. This is an exact scenario that I had just a week ago. I used my pretty mugshot here to cover this client's name. But when I ran their credit, they were at a 673 credit score. And as usual, I went to go look to see what I can do to get that credit score up. Because 673, you can get a loan, but it's not going to be the best loan, right? That's the case with any lender out there because that's an average credit score. So for this particular individual, they had a $25 medical collection that we were able to have them pay and get a letter of deletion. So they called the collection company and got a letter saying it's been paid. We then got it deleted off the credit report. And then there were 3 very small credit card balances. One was $776, another was $315, and the last was $76. So in total, there was $1,167 that, if was paid down, allowed us to get his credit score increased from 673 to 721. On this particular loan, which was a $500,000 mortgage, he was able to save $9,000 in closing costs with that higher credit score. So he paid $1,100 to save $9,000. These types of things have to be looked at. There's an enormous amount of value. Credit reports and credit scores can be rather complicated for someone that's not consistently involved with them as a profession. And unlike a lot of banks and lenders, we really want to look at that stuff so you're not overpaying on a loan that you would normally overpay for. There's creative ways to get that fixed. If you have questions, if you want us to look at your particular credit report and see what areas we can help improve it upon, feel free to click on the link, answer a few questions, and then we'll go from there. Appreciate it and talk to you soon.